Hi, my name is John Russell. I work at saVRee.com, and in this course I'm going to teach you about electrical transformers. Now, I myself have been involved with electrical transformers about 6 or 7 years. I actually designed a transformer asset maintenance tool which has been downloaded over 5,000 times on Google Play and iTunes. In this course I'm going to teach you about transformer theory. We're going to look at the three main types of transformer, such as the dry, hermetic and conservator type. I'm also going to show you all of the main components of the transformer, such as the core, windings, tank, conservator tank, and tap changers. I'm going to show you how all of those components work. We're also going to look at things like a Buchholz relay and the silica gel breather, and I'm going to explain to you why we have those fitted to the transformer and why they're so important. So if you've ever wondered how a Buchholz relay works, or why a silica gel breather has an oil cup at the base, then this is the course for you. So it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an advanced learner, such as an electrical engineer with years of experience, I guarantee you'll be able to take something away from this course. Throughout the course, we're going to use 3D interactive models, and I'm going to show you exactly what is happening within the transformer, and I'm going to show you how the components work. So check out some of the free trial videos, have a look, see if my teaching style suits you and the content is also suitable. And if it is, then please sign up, and I hope to see you on the course.